Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी
Kublai phi baro kini kilongi khubor bam takasngi. Imat ka jingdon jungi shlem jaka puli ka sarkar India hajala Meghalaya ka datang ka jaka yakhi bat dawa ne persha aka ka baki khna puli ki kwa bat ki bor penyat kim snam. Kisamla puli ka school ba puli Dr. North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy NEIAH Shillong. Kidai ki blami pat ba banyakhi da ka bashat ngan na ka benta ka jingdawai ka bai bam jangki sabandap shisnem menta bakimyo. Kibayakhi syatangan menta kelas dang hak armutari khadwai arhajar arpsau ber kini kila beteng hadu menta kesngi. Kini kisamla puli kila ujor ya kani nadu ubnai no pra arhajar arpulai bet menta sabandap shisnem. Kini kisamla puli kila pelongi ke jingiakhih haunai lur menta usnem ndai layo jingtip bana kaliang jingi bor penyat kila pan por arbnai ban penben ya kani ke jinge ndai hadu menta kempatla ban penben. Na kaliang jungi samla puli menta kimla shu ban shu ngam ya kani ka jingne kumta kilas dang ya ka jingyakhih bandawa na ki bor ba penyat ban penyo ya ka bai bam jangki namar kani ka jaka puli ka dei jong ka sarkar pedeng.
Yes, actually, we have already approached our college from before also. We are sitting on hunger strike since 26th. It's already fourth day today. And we, all the 8 PGTs, it's the same. We are sitting here for three main demands that are the sole demand we want. And the demands being our college, not it's not like university. We have to have a proper university. Our we to obtain a degree we have to have a university. We are not enrolled in any university. Supposingly we should be enrolled in Niho University, but and it should have been happened by 3 months of our enrollment. We enrolled here on December 2023, so we don't have that. So we are like now in the dilemma ki whether our degree will be like obtained on time or whether we are affiliated or not. We our future is in stake. For main reason is for that we are like not sure about our future. Second, we should have our guide to have our research, to have our academic progress for this 3 year. We and it should be allotted according to NCH, National Commission of Homeopathy norm, by 6 months of the enrollment. Till now we don't have any guides. Lastly, the main stipend. We have not been like given any stipend since the enrollment of our admission. That is December 2023. We have been working sincerely since the starting of the our course since December, but we haven't get any stipend. In the name of stipend, no, like this, now it's already 1 year, and we have been working since 1 year without any stipend. These are the three main reasons for which we are like going on hunger strike. Like, to be honest, director sir is not here. Then again, they try to like contact us through our teachers and all. They try to convey the message to us, but it's the same message only that we have been hearing for quite a long time. So we want our demands to be fulfilled. That's the only reason, and the demands are not yet fulfilled. That's why we are continuing our hunger strike. We will continue our hunger strike till the demands are fulfilled. Here are at stake. We are If we don't take action now, it's already 1 year. So, like, when will we take the action? We are taking this action for ourselves. This is the ultimate action. It's not the first time we are taking the action. We already were in we were not in hunger strike, but we were on strike 2 months back also on the September. That time also we dissolved the protest that time on September because we were assured that our problems, our demands will be fulfilled. But till date, our demands are not seen in any action also. So that's why we are like taking this grave step, hunger strike. We tried that. We tried that already. We have approached. We haven't got any response yet. Formed indirectly कि they are working on this. It's been 1 year. The answers are the same only. They are working. We haven't seen any action. That's why we are continuing this. Okay, they are working on this. Yes, we have approached. Response yet. Like I belong to all the PGTs. I'm speaking on behalf of all the PGTs. Okay, we are 8 PGTs.